we are going to see the second chapter of our 6 standards. Name of the chapter is angle. Look at the pictures given below and identify the type of angle and write the name below the pictures. Dear student, this topic is the revision topic that we have already seen in the 5th class. So today we remember the type of angles that are studied in 5th class. There are 3 types of angle, out of which first is right angle. The angle which having measure 90 degree is called as right angle. Similarly, the angle which having the measure from 0 to 90 degree is called as acute angle. And in similar manner, the angle which having the measure 90 degree, more than 90 degree to 180 degree, that type of angle is called as obtuse angle. These are the 3 types of angle that we have already studied at the 5th standard. So today we are going to introduce the revision part of our 5th standard in the picture. Let's see, there are 3 pictures given in the books, out of which first picture is watch. We want to measure the angle between the 2 hands of the watch. In second picture, there is a scissor. We want to measure the angle between the 2 edges of the scissors. And in third picture, there is a bird. We want to measure the angle between the edges of the peak of the bird. So let's start from first figure. We measure the angle between these 2 hands with help of our protractor. So I take protractor here. First of all, I introduce with protractor. This point is called as a reference point, and this line is called as a reference lines. These are 2 most important points. So how to measure? So keep the protractor in such a way that the reference point and vertex of the angle match with each other in this way. And I rotate protractor in such a way that the one side of the angle is overlap with reference line in this way. And now I measure this angle from this side because our angle side is coming toward this side. That's why I measure from this scale. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 19, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. These lines indicate the angle having the measure 160 degree. So I measure the angle between these 2 hands of the clock. It having the measure 160 degree. So my simple definition that we have already studied in 5th class is that the angle which having the measure greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. So here our angle's measure is 160 degree. That's why the angle which are made between the 2 hands of the clock is obtuse angle. This is the first type of angle. Now go in second figure. This is nothing but scissor. This is our vertex point and these are the 2 sides of the angle. Suppose we keep the reference point on the vertex and match the reference line to the one side of the angle in this way. Now I can measure this angle also from this side because my one side is here, and that's why I measure from outer scale of protractor 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Here the second side is come, and that's why the angle between 2 edges of the scissor is 90 degree. And we are also seeing the definition of right angle. The angle which having the measure 90 degree is called right angle. Here the measure of the angle between the two edges of the scissor is 90 degree, and that's why the angle made between these two edges is right angle. And in similar manner, we can measure the angle between the edges of the peak of the bird in this way. So how to measure? I kept the protector in such a way that the reference point is matched with vertex of the angle, and I rotate a protector in such a way that one side is overlapped to the other side. That means the reference line of the protector overlap with one side of the angle, and now I measure this angle from the inner side of the scale. 10 and 20. 20 nothing but 10 and 15. I think this angle is the 15 degrees. Therefore, I know the definition of acute angle. The angle which having the measure 0 to 90 degree, that type of angle is called as acute angle. So here our measure is the 15 degree. Therefore, there is acute angle between the two edges of the peak of the bird. So what is the activity to do? You can write the name of each type of the angle here and complete your activity. With help of protector, you can also measure the angle between the hands of the clock, edges of the scissors, and peak of the birds. Here I write this type is the obtuse angle. So I write the obtuse. Obtuse, also write the angle. This is the first type. Here the angle between these two edges are 90 degree. That is why this is the right angle. And similarly, here the angle made between the peak, edges of the peak, is acute angle. In this way, we have seen introduction part of our chapter, information about the type of angles. There are three types of angle, out of which first is the acute angle, which having the measure from 0 to 90 degree. Second type is the right angle, which having the measure only 90 degree. And third type is the obtuse angle, which having the angle which having the measure greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That type of angle is the obtuse angle. In this way, we have finishes our introduction part of a chapter. This is your activity you complete at home. So, thanking you.